Okay, we're back. I'm playing games. Should I say Alex playing race car?
Yeah, I'll say that.
This video?
Yeah.
That's Alex. That's Alex right there.
Let me crash into that little truck because he crashed into me.
That's Alex right there. That's Alex. Alex, he just passed you. Did you not notice?
This one is I'm driving this one.
Yeah, I already showed it in that. Hey, who keeps scoring every little dust?
I'm passing everyone that already passed me. I'm passing everyone because I'm a beast. Oh!
Hey, hashtag. You can never beat Alex. He's the master. He has the police. Run away. What was that?
So I'm going to show you the rest
Of the cars?
of the game.
Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit closer.
So yeah, options. I'm gonna change a little bit. Okay.
Hey, did you know I'm getting the Nintendo Switch for Christmas?
Huh?
Getting the Nintendo Switch for Christmas. They have it at Walmart. Did you know that?
Oh. So this kid is getting something new.
I'm using my brother's. Go check my videos.
No, don't watch us. He suck.
Hey, what did I say, Alex? What did I say? Tell me, what did I say to you?
Nothing.
I told you, don't say things like that. That's mean.
Do you actually want me to race? Okay.
No, you said you're gonna look all of the rest of the game. Get close. Alex, this is the last race, and then we're stopping for today. Okay? Okay, Alex.
We have the same car. Right? We have the same car. And his is faster.
Alex, isn't it time? Okay, it's time to go. Bye.